So I've ripped up the first few half tiles because I'm going to use one of these tiles to take to the store to try and match up. And I've also taken off the door and removed part of the plumbing so that I can get this shower surround out of here. So I've started cutting out the sheetrock around the shower surround so I can remove this shower stall and preparing to do a custom tile shower. Alright, so I'm finding it faster to just use my big breaker bar and break it out and then pry out the nails. Plus, once I get over here, the breaker bar is going to be safer around that plumbing than the Sawzall. And the dust, probably a little bit less dust with the breaker bar. Oh yeah, see, glad I was using the breaker bar because the vent stack is right here. 100% that would have got cut with the Sawzall. 100%. No way it would have got missed, because without being the one that built this room, you don't know where this stuff is. And then I got supply lines right here, as well as my shower line. And it doesn't even register because it's a walkout basement. So you don't even register it that you're in a basement, and your supply lines are most likely going to be coming from the top, especially considering your main water shutoff is down at this same level. So yeah, definitely a good thing to just use a wrecking bar to clean this stuff out. Now this whole shower stall should be loose except for the bottom drain. So this whole thing should be ready to come out of here. So the mirror's out. That light's still got to come out, and then we'll figure out if this plumbing is going to be in the suitable location for the new vanity. And then we've got half of the shower cut out. Still got to cut off the back and take out the base, and then we'll be good to go. Look at this trash pile under here from the freaking builder that built this house. That's absurd. Y'all ought to be ashamed of yourselves. All right, now everything is cleaned up. There will be a little bit more sheetrock to take out of here before we put up the Durock or Hardy backer, whatever we use for our backer board up here. And got some sheetrock repair to do here as well. But most of the demo is done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so now I've marked a straight line around there so I can get the rest of that cut out with the oscillating saw. Marked a straight line across there so I can get that cut out, and then I can work on replacing this sheetrock and then measure to see how much waterproof Hardy backer I need over here. And then we're going to do the Curdy floor system, 60 by 38. So we'll have a little bump out bench shelf deal along the back there, like the last tile shower that I did. And then we've got 2x4 tiles, and they're going to be laid third bond. And then we'll put a niche on that wall and nothing on this wall.